In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the gamma of images on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left panel, select where it says Default Image. And then on the right side, you want to go down and locate the gamma settings. And you click the drop down and select either linear or non-linear and then select OK to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.